Michael Jordan is not just a name. It's a brand synonymous with excellence in basketball. With a career that spanned over a decade and a half, Jordan's journey with the Chicago Bulls was nothing short of legendary. He led the team to 6 NBA championships and earned 5 Most Valuable Player awards, forever changing the landscape of professional basketball with his skill, leadership, and competitive spirit. Off the court, Jordan's transition from athlete to global icon was seamless, marked by his collaboration with Nike to create Air Jordan sneaker lines. Launched in 1984, this partnership not only revolutionized sneaker design and marketing, but also established a new blueprint for athlete endorsements in sports. Today, the Air Jordan brand continues to be a dominant force in the market, contributing significantly to his wealth and cultural influence. Beyond his earnings from sports and endorsements, Michael Jordan's savvy investments have further solidified his financial status. His acquisition of the Charlotte Hornets in 2010 marked a significant milestone, making him the first former player to become the majority owner of an NBA franchise. This move, coupled with his ongoing endorsements and diverse investments, has catapulted him into billionaire status. Jordan has consistently appeared in Forbes' rankings of the world's billionaires, underscoring the vast economic impact of his career and business acumen. Michael Jordan's real estate portfolio is as remarkable as his storied basketball career, featuring a collection of luxurious properties that perfectly reflect his larger-than-life persona. At the heart of the collection is his extraordinary compound in Highland Park, Illinois. Spanning over 56,000 square feet, this estate is far more than a home. It's a veritable shrine to his basketball achievements. The centerpiece is a full-size, regulation basketball court meticulously designed with the same flooring used by the Chicago Bulls in the United Center, underscoring his deep connection to the sport. Beyond Illinois, Jordan's property portfolio extends into warmer climates, showcasing equally stunning homes in Florida and North Carolina, each reflecting his personal interests and lifestyle. His residence in Jupiter, Florida is particularly breathtaking, located within a private golf community. This home features expansive, sunlit living spaces that seamlessly open onto pristine golf courses, a nod to Jordan's avid golfing passion. The home is tailored for luxury, with vast walk-in closets big enough to house his extensive collection of Air Jordans and custom-tailored suits, reflecting his iconic 6'6" stature and unique style preferences. Further north in North Carolina, Jordan's estate is strategically positioned close to the headquarters of his Charlotte Hornets, emphasizing his ongoing involvement in the NBA. This property showcases an impressive array of state-of-the-art security systems, a non-negotiable for a public figure of his stature. The home is fortified against any intrusions, ensuring privacy and safety for Jordan and his family. Like his other residences, this home combines high-end luxury with supreme functionality, each room designed with meticulous attention to detail that caters to both his personal and professional life. Together, these properties paint a picture of a man who has transcended his roots in basketball legendaries to become a symbol of luxury, comfort, and meticulous design. Each estate is not just a place to live, but a careful expression of Jordan's life, achievements, and the legacy he continues to build with every passing day. Michael Jordan's life outside basketball courts is characterized by hobbies and interests that match the intensity and dedication he once displayed in NBA arenas. Among his many passions, golf stands out prominently. Jordan is not just an occasional player, but an ardent golfer. Holding memberships at some of the most exclusive golf clubs in the world, he frequently participates in celebrity golf tournaments and is known for his competitive nature on the greens. Reflecting his deep commitment to the sport, Jordan is currently developing his own private golf course in Florida, dubbed Grove XXIII. This course is designed to offer a challenging and exclusive golfing experience with advanced technological integrations like drone-delivered refreshments, catering to high-profile clientele. In addition to his love for golf, Jordan's penchant for luxury is evident in his approach to travel. He owns several private jets, the most famous of which is a Gulfstream G550, aptly named Air Jordan. This jet is a testament to his personal brand and lifestyle. Its exterior is customized with the iconic Jumpman logo, and the tail number includes his famous jersey number 23. Inside, the aircraft is fitted with the finest amenities to ensure maximum comfort and luxury, from plush seating to high-end entertainment systems. These jets allow Jordan to travel in privacy and style, embodying the luxury that defines his post-NBA life. Michael Jordan's post-basketball career has been marked by astute business decisions and lucrative endorsements that have not only been multiplied by his wealth, but also solidified of his stature as a cultural icon. The centerpiece of his business empire undoubtedly remains the Air Jordan sneaker line. Launched in '85 in partnership with Nike, the Air Jordan brand revolutionized sneaker culture with its innovative designs and exclusive releases, creating a fervent collector's market. The brand has consistently generated significant revenue streams for Nike, with annual sales regularly surpassing $1 billion. Beyond mere footwear, Air Jordan has become a symbol of aspiration and excellence across generations, echoing Jordan's own status in sports. Jordan's business acumen extends well beyond the hardwood floors of basketball courts. He has diversified his investment portfolio across various sectors, including sports, drinks, automotive, and gambling industries, which have bolstered his financial stature and influence in the business world. His stake in major companies like Gatorade has been particularly notable. His endorsements have often helped shape brand strategies and consumer trends. Furthermore, his involvement in the automotive sector through ownership of multiple car dealerships has been less publicized yet profitable venture. Additionally, Jordan's recent foray into the gambling industry underscores his willingness to tap into emerging markets, demonstrating his adeptness at adapting to new business environments. Each of these investments and endorsements has not only expanded his wealth, but also his influence beyond the realm of sports and into broader business and cultural landscapes. These ventures showcase a legendary athlete whose strategic moves in business are as calculated and impactful as his gameplay once was on the basketball court. Michael Jordan's influence extends far beyond the basketball court and business ventures into significant philanthropic efforts that underscore his commitment to societal change and community support. Over the years, Jordan has made substantial contributions to a variety of causes, reflecting his dedication to leveraging his status for a positive impact. One of the most notable aspects of his philanthropy is his support for healthcare, particularly for children. Jordan has donated millions to children's hospitals, including a $7 million donation to fund 2 Novant Health Michael Jordan family clinics in Charlotte, North Carolina. These clinics were established to provide critical access to healthcare for underprivileged communities, showcasing Jordan's commitment to addressing systemic healthcare disparities. Jordan's response to natural disasters also highlights his philanthropic nature. Following Hurricane Florence, he donated $2 million to aid the relief efforts in North Carolina, helping the hardest-hit communities in his home state. This act of generosity was crucial in providing immediate relief for those affected by devastating impacts of the storm. Moreover, in the wake of increased attention to racial inequality in the United States, Jordan has stepped forward as a prominent voice advocating for social justice and racial equality. In 2020, he and the Jordan brand pledged $100 million over 10 years to organizations dedicated to ensuring racial equality, social justice, and greater access to education. This massive commitment aims to tackle the ingrained racism in society and promote opportunities for Black people in America. Beyond these large public donations, Jordan is involved in various community upliftment projects. Through his Jordan brand Wings Scholars programs, he provides scholarships and educational opportunities for young people in underserved communities, aiming to reduce the educational gap caused by economic disparities. Michael Jordan's philanthropic endeavors showcased a deep sense of responsibility, demonstrating how he uses his influence to foster significant societal changes. His commitment to philanthropy not only enriches his legacy, but also sets a powerful example for others in sports and business to follow. In this exploration of Michael Jordan's life, we've journeyed through the opulent world of sports icon whose impact transcends the basketball court, reaching into realms of luxury living, high-flying hobbies, and pioneering business ventures. We've seen how his competitive spirit on the court seamlessly transitioned into the business domain, where he continues to score through strategic investments and enduring partnerships. His Air Jordan brand alone has revolutionized sneaker culture, becoming a cornerstone of his financial empire, which also includes ownership stakes in sports drinks, automotive, and gambling companies. Beyond the glitter of wealth and fame, Jordan's profound influence shines brightly in his philanthropic endeavors. His substantial contributions to healthcare, education, and racial equality initiatives reflect a deep commitment to leveraging his influence for societal benefit. These efforts have made a measurable difference in the lives of many, particularly in underserved communities. Michael Jordan's story is a tale of financial success. It's a narrative of enduring impact, marked by relentless drive and savvy understanding of both sports and business. His legacy is richly layered, defined not just by his unrivaled athletic achievements, but also by his strategic acumen and meaningful contributions to society.